Hey, welcome. Glad you could make it. So I was just walking around and thinking, why not make a class on digitally painting? Skillshare is always sending me these crazy emails all the time saying I can teach and that, you know, anybody can be a teacher. Well, I don't think they've ever met me because I can barely hold a sentence without getting distracted. This class is on digital painting. I wanted to make a class on digital painting because I need the money. No. Because I want to help you guys out and let you guys discover this whole new medium of art. If you're an artist and you haven't given digital painting a shot, I don't know. I really think you should. You should give it a shot because you're depriving the world of your talents by not a goddamn car. Freaking car! You loud ass! Put a muffler on digital painting! It's a great new medium of art. You can have all the different colors in the world at your disposal without running to the nearest Hobby Lobby to pick up some new white paint. Gosh, I am always running out of white paint. That's just one of many benefits that I love about digital painting. So passionate about digital painting. I'm not that good at it. I'm not going to pretend like I'm the best artist in the world here, but I feel like I can teach just the basics of what digitally painting is and how to get started if you're new to the idea. Come join me. Come on. Get in here. Get in this class. Be a part of the community. Learn something. Maybe learn nothing and just teach me something new because I'm always learning. I'm trying to figure this thing out. But I got a few techniques on what you can do just starting out in digitally painting, such as setting up a Photoshop document, learning how to blend colors, using layers, using special effects to make your art pop, and just basic Photoshop 101 kind of techniques for digital painters. We're just gonna have fun, and I'm gonna try to teach you something along the way. That's all I'm gonna say here in the beginning. I've been, you know, I'm like out of breath. Man, it's your god dang phone. Will you shut up? I'm not that important. Never get texts. And now that I'm recording, now I'm getting so many freaking texts. Okay, so, I don't know what I'm saying. All right, join the class. I'll be like it. All right.